Hi guys, welcome to another edition of GRWM. Let's get ready for Shiloh 2025 Thanksgiving service. Let's go guys. So we are getting our eyebrow done, highlighting the eyebrow area, blending the highlighter on where the eyeshadows would be, using my eyeshadow primer. First color is a nude. We are blending the eyeshadow. We are using another color, pink, for the eyeshadow. The mid-section area, blending the eyeshadow. Going into another palette to put in purple eyeshadow for the outer corner of the eye, blending the eyeshadow, then putting the shimmer color blue to make the eye pop, because we are wearing blue today. Blending the eyeshadow. We are still blending the eyeshadows, blending, make sure all the eye ash areas are gone, they are well blended. Going back with the palette that we used before, the nude colors, to make sure all the colors we used before are properly blended, to make them smooth and fine, making sure there are no harsh lines. Then we are going into our powder, because I discovered my eyes were oily before going into foundation. Now it's time for foundation. We are blending the foundation, making sure that the eye area, all the face is well blended. Then we're going into our black eyeliner to make sure the waterline is well blended. Highlighting the under eye area, making sure the under eye area pops. What's makeup without highlighting now? They are still highlighting the under eye area to make it pop. Doing the same thing on both sides, making sure the under eye area is well blended. Guys, I like using powder contour. I really don't like the creamy contours. It makes my face looks heavy, feels heavy, so I use the powder contour. We are contouring the nose now, making sure the nose is well contoured. Then highlighting the underside of the contoured cheek, highlighting the under eye, making sure everywhere is well blended. Blend it very well. Then going in with our bronzer to make the eye shine, highlighting the lips. It's time for our blush. We are applying the blush on all the areas where blush is needed, on the cheek, the bridge of the nose, on the forehead. Then using our powder to make sure everywhere is well blended and smooth. Blending the powder very well to make sure there are no harsh lines. Applying our liquid liner, make sure they are well applied on both eyes. It's time for our mascara check. Time for lipstick. Underline the lip area with our lip liner, applying lipstick, blending the lipstick, applying more lipstick, another color, blending it. Going back to our eyebrow to make sure it's well done. It's time for our accessories. Earrings check, necklace check, ring check, wristwatch check, and chain check. Now it's time for our hair, and here comes the transformation. Can you see the beautiful woman? This woman fine, Jerry. Can you see the beauty? Look at the close shot of the beauty. My belts check, then my shoes and bag for the outfits. How do I look? And here is the final look. Be the judge now. How do I look? You can't deny it. I look beautiful. Look at the outfit. Check me out. Yeah, the woman is beautiful. I love you guys. Bye.